we tried it. The customer service was phenomenal. Having, I mean, the features and benefits of Pulsa over what we were using before is amazing. From getting readings much more often, I think it's every 6 minutes compared to twice a day, to one cell service, or using all cell services with one setup, where we didn't have to stock AT&T one, Verizon one. We could just stock one unit, and there was multiple other features and benefits that I loved. And the cost of it was about a third of what we were paying for both the equipment and the service. It was really, I hate to use the phrase no-brainer, but it was a no-brainer.